Hi friends, welcome to solving this math problem. 2 to the power of 100 plus 2 to the power of 100. We cannot directly add 2 to the power of 100 and 2 to the power of 100 using exponent. We can factor out 2 to the power of 100. We check factor 2 to the power of 100. It is become 1 and this is becomes 1. uh, 2 to the power of 100, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 to the power of 100 times 2. Any number, without an exponent has an exponent of 1. Now we use this formula. A to the power of m times a to the power of n equals a to the power of m plus n. 2 100 plus 1 equals 2 1. My 100 plus 1 hundredths 1. Final answer 2 to the power of hundredths 101. Thank you for watching.